everybody. So in today's video, I wanted to just do a tutorial on Thrivecart and the newly released Learn Plus, which gives you access to, do unlimited courses for your students. The thing about Thrivecart that I love, it's really like an all-in-one solution. I mean, you have embeddable checkouts that you can make. So you can have checkouts for any type of digital product that you offer. You can embed it onto any website. And then now that they released Learn Plus, I mean, you could literally create courses and have the checkouts and build affiliates all in one platform. So I'm going to give you guys an overview. I mean, I've been using it now for about a week or so, and I've already created a bunch of courses. I'm building out an affiliate structure for people. It's really, really a powerful software. So really quick, if you guys are enjoying the training that we do here on the channel, we really love the support. If you could just go ahead and smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that way you never miss any of our trainings. It would really help us grow a lot. And I'm going to include a link to get the lifetime discount for Thrivecart. It is my affiliate link, so you'll be supporting the channel by grabbing your lifetime discount, and it doesn't cost you anything extra to go ahead and sign up for it. So just check out that link in the description. And without further ado, let's go right in. So when you get Thrivecart Pro, as I mentioned, you have the feature to create any type of checkout. You could do upsells, downsells, one-time bump orders. You can give out coupons. But the thing that I really love is this new Learn Plus. Okay, so as you can see, I've already created a few courses in here, but I'm going to walk you through how to actually go ahead and create a course from scratch. So this way you could start to get your content out there. So, that you could start by creating a project. I already have a project called Business Courses, but you could start out by clicking out a project or start out by creating a course. So we'll start out by hitting Create Course. So when I hit Create Course, it'll ask you, do you want to put it into your project, right? If you have multiple projects, you can select it here, but I'll just put Business Courses. It's going to ask you to put in a name. So I could put something like, Affiliate Marketing Mastery, right? And then it'll ask you, what do you want the course description to be, right? So in this course, I will teach you the secrets to starting a passive income with affiliate marketing. Okay, it'll ask you for the author. You just put yourself. And you can also go ahead and create a logo. And the thing I love about Thrivecart, it even tells you the size that you would want. So it should be 1280 by 960 pixels. So if you have a website like Canva, for example, they have a free version that you can use. You can just go to a new design and create those custom fields of 1280 by 960 pixels. But, just to speed up the process, I'll go ahead and use this one here. So now you can see we have our custom logo. Okay. So, you start out by creating modules and lessons. It's pretty straightforward. It's literally drag and drop, right? So we're going to create module number 1, for example, right? And the thing that I like is that you can make it available to all students. You also have the ability to make it available to specific students that are under a tag. So just for this video's purpose, we'll keep it as all students and create the module. And then we want to start building out lessons, right? So you can do them one by one, but the thing that I like is that, so let's just say welcome video. The thing that I like is that you can actually create a template with one lesson and then use that for all of the different lessons you want to do. So that saves a lot of time as well in course creation. So this way you don't have to go and make the same settings on every single lesson. So let me explain, right? So we have a welcome video. We're going to click edit. And now here is our course area. And as I mentioned, everything is fully customizable, right? So, we could literally change the title, the font, we could change the size, we could change the color, right? So if you have custom themes, custom colors to your brand, you can go ahead and just make that in sync. You could change the module title, right? You could change the lessons, right? So if we wanted to keep everything on brand, you see I'm making everything red. That definitely helps. And this option here, you could toggle course progress on or course progress off. I tend to keep it on because it's good to let people know where they are. And you could even change the status of the color bar, which is really, really nice. Okay. So if we wanted to change any other areas like the sidebar, we could do that. Okay. And we can also even change pretty much everything like the navigation bar. Right, so now everything is kind of on brand, right? I mean, for me, my brand colors are white, black, and red, so just trying to keep everything in sync. Okay, so now we want to start off our lesson usually with some kind of a heading, right? So welcome here, okay, right? And you could do the positioning if you want it to be in the middle, if you want it to be right, if you want it to be to the left, right? We can add our video. And again, you see everything is literally drag and drop. You can adjust the size of the video, which is really nice. And the thing that I like with Thrivecart, they don't actually host the videos. So what you may want to do, you have two options, right? If you wanted to use like a free option, you can go ahead and just make the video on YouTube and just make it a private video that's unlisted. And this way you can just embed it directly. But I use Vimeo. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and grab one of my Vimeo videos really quickly, and I'll copy the embed code, and then I'll show you how it works. So you just literally pop in your embed code. And as you can see, it's now there in the course area, right? And there's a lot of other things that you can do that are really nice too, right? So like we could add dividers, we can add text, right? So in this video, I am giving you a brief introduction to affiliate marketing. And then make sure you grab your downloadable worksheet by clicking below. So this is one feature that I really, really love about Thrivecart is the fact that you can add buttons, right? So for example, I could add a button here, and if I have like a Google Doc or a Google Sheet, right, that I wanted to give people as like a downloadable worksheet to go along with the lessons, what I can do is I can just literally go into my Google Docs and I could copy any of the links, right? And then I can just add that directly into Thrivecart, as you can see here. So click here, right? You enter the URL, and now when they click the button, it'll actually redirect them to get the worksheet. And again, even with the button itself, you could change the color to keep it on branding, right? You could change the text. So I would put something like grab your workbook here, right? So that's actually very helpful. For example, if you wanted to add workbooks, if you wanted to post affiliate links for any products or software you're recommending to the students, you can add it here and it'll redirect them. And then even with the next lesson, right, we could change the actual button, we could change the color, keep it on brand. Okay, and then we could put next lesson if we wanted to, or just continue. So I'll put next lesson. Okay, so there you have it. I mean, that's pretty much a 1-2 overview, right? There's a lot of other features which are really nice. So we could add bullets, FAQs, we could add custom HTML, right? So for example, if I wanted to even embed like a Google form to have them fill out things, I could do that here. Coming soon, you could see that they're offering quiz features, so you could quiz your students. So there's a lot of great actual features that you can use, right? So once we're done with the first lesson, we'll just go ahead and click publish. And now if I wanted to just clone this exact lesson, so this way I don't have to go back and edit all of those features to stay on branding, I literally just have to hit clone, and then I could change the titles, right? So video 1, affiliate marketing 101, for example, right? Just hit enter, and then, we could keep going. Video 2, organic marketing strategies, right? And then you get the idea. So The thing I also love too, you can make it either instant or you can drip it out, right? So if you wanted to drip out the lessons, you could this is what I really love. There's so many customizable features. Like you can drip it out to a certain time period. You can drip it out to a certain day of the month. You could drip it out to after the client, if they're on a payment plan, pays their monthly installment. So it's really, really nice, right? So once we're actually done with that, we just go to next and it takes us over to our course options. Okay. And, you know, again, once we create the course, we'll go back in and I'll show you how to actually build out the checkout for it. So we have to create a product. You can set up a custom domain for the course, which is really nice. And then, you know, let's say this is really nice. Let's say you have somebody that's on a payment plan, right? You know, you have a $3,000 course. They're on a 3-month plan of maybe $1,200 a month. If, let's say, the subscription payment fails, you can actually pause the content, pause the dripping, or you could just disable all access until they make a payment, which is really, really nice. And then the other thing I like too is that as you make multiple courses, you have the option in ThriveCart to just select this box, and now it'll display all the new courses that you create to people that have already purchased a course from you. And then you also have rules that we can set up, right? So we can add a rule, like if a student gets access to the course, we could send them to a custom HTML. If a new module becomes available to the student, then we can, you know, send them to a landing page. There's a lot of cool options. If a student completes a lesson, we can give them a shout out. If the student is paused or disabled, there's really a lot of cool options that you can add in there. Okay, so then we save and exit. And now you'll see that the actual course is here, right? And if we wanted to get like a quick link just to see how it looks, we can do that. What I'll do is I'll actually just grab a quick link here and I'll show you guys what one of my finished courses looks like. Just bear with me for a moment. Okay, so we sign in. And once we sign in, this is access to our course. This is one of the courses that I made. And here's the course area, right? And as you can see, it's pretty optimized, all on my branding, my logo, next lesson. And then we have, you know, pretty download your worksheet. You can have multiple videos in one course. It's really, really awesome. So let's go back and actually create a product now. Okay. So now what we want to do is go to products. And we want to create a product for this new course, right? So again, you could do physical products or digital. If you're doing courses or ebooks, obviously we stick with digital. Okay, so now we're going to call this affiliate marketing mastery or affiliate marketing course, right? You could add a description if you want, affiliate course. You have the option to put it in test mode or live, right? So then we click next. Now we go over to pricing and you have obviously different currency. So USD for me, you're going to select a product price. And this is what I love too. You can do multiple options. So like, let's say I offer $3,000 for my course. Okay. And we could even set it to a limited quality or unlimited, right? So if you want to create some scarcity, you can do that. Okay. Save. And then now I can add a pricing option and I could do split pay. I could do subscription. I could do pay your own price, which is really nice, right? So we can do, if we're going to do a split pay of like 2 payments and it's $1,500, I'd probably charge $1,750 per payment. So now it just raises it up a little bit higher. The key with that is that, you know, you want to create some kind of benefit for them to pay all in one shot. So it's like you do one-time payment, $3,000. Otherwise, you'll be paying $3,500 in 2 payments or 3 or whatever you want to do. If you have digital physical products, it'll help you to calculate sales task. And also you could customize a specific invoice that you want to send to people. So then we go to next. Now, if we wanted to actually do a bump offer, right? For a one-time discount, for another $99.99, you'll get access to funnels or templates that I've created to go along with the lessons. So you can actually create that. Okay, and then we go to next. We have our, let me just shut this off. Then we go to processors, and it integrates with Stripe, it integrates with Authorize.net, with PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, right? So you just want to make sure you have everything all set up here. Okay, and then we go to next. And now if we wanted to have people affiliate for the programs, for the products we offer, this is what really sets Thrivecart apart from a lot of other LMS softwares, is that you can develop affiliate commissions directly within the actual program. So we want to have affiliates promote our product, we could set the commissions up. So we could actually do the same affiliate structure for all pricing options, right? For one-time pays and split, or we could switch it. We could do a custom percentage or a fixed fee. I tend to usually do like a percentage, let's say 50%. And you have the option to pick whether the affiliates will get paid immediately, after a delay, manually. So what I'll usually do is do manually, and then I'll set it to 30 days. Click save, okay? Now, we can actually choose options for our affiliates. So do we want to allow people to automatically sign up for affiliates, auto approve or manual? Do we want to set it to last cookie or first cookie? What I tend to do is do the last cookie, right? And we have the option to even let Thrivecart decide the length of the cookie, right? Do we want to have people only get affiliates for the last 7 days or lifetime? I mean, what I'll usually do is set it to lifetime, and you have the option to require that your affiliates connect their PayPal account in order to receive payment. I think that's really just the easiest way to do it. You can create an affiliate link target, right? So this way all of your products can be listed. And you could just list that here. And then you could actually have other options. It's fully customizable, which I love, right? So hide this product from your affiliates dashboard or show it in their dashboard. You can actually allow your affiliates to set their own funnel tracking codes, which is a great feature for them. You can even allow your affiliates to set their own bonuses to kind of differentiate themselves when they're promoting your products, which I definitely recommend that you enable, because that's the name of the game with affiliate marketing, right? What's going to set you apart from the other 10, 15, 100 people is the fact that you have a certain bonus stack you can offer, so they can actually include and embed their own URL for their bonus stack. Okay, so that's done. Then we just go to next. And then you have the option to access to the product. People can, after they purchase, they can, either reach out to you by email or a custom URL, wherever you want to send them. And then what happens after their purchase, you could give them an invoice, or you could send them to a direct funnel landing page URL that you created, or you could just add them directly to the membership site. So as you can see, it's really, really fully customizable, guys. So, which is really, really nice. Okay, so let's say I wanted to just put a custom email. I would just put Danny@dreamclientsaccelerator.net. Click next. Now, when we want to actually create the cart, right, the product page, you have the option to make it a standard one where they just put in their info. You can make a sales cart, which is really nice. You can embed things. You can have it as a pop-up. I tend to like the sales cart one. It's pretty nice. So I'll just kind of show you, and the editor is pretty simple to use. So now we go into the design. Now, the cool thing is we could actually copy the design from another product, or we could launch the editor and start it from scratch. So, normally I would just copy it from another product because I like to keep everything congruent on my brand, but I'll show you how to actually launch the editor and do it from scratch. So as you can see, again, you have everything set up here, but if you want to keep things on brand, I would highly suggest you go in, you find your color codes that, you tend to use for your courses and stuff, right? So I like to do the red. I usually tend to keep that the same. So I'm going to just go ahead and make everything congruent here. Okay. Perfect. Now we can add a bunch of different items here on the right on our status bar. We could add different steps into the cart, product info, headline, right? So like, let's say we add our headline, get your copy of affiliate marketing master course today, right? Okay, and then we can add like a whole video going over the course. Again, you would just embed that from wherever you wanted to embed it from, right? From Vimeo, from YouTube, wherever you wanted it to go. Okay, you could add subheading, you could add text, you know, like what you're actually going to learn in this course. This course will teach you, and then go into your details, right? You could add bullets, you know, so for example, how to grow in affiliate marketing, right? How to grow with affiliate marketing, how to dominate on social media. And then you just kind of go over all the list and the benefits, right? The thing I also love too, you can add like a countdown timer to create scarcity. You could add FAQs, you could add a custom HTML, which is really nice, right? And then let's say we wanted to add some social proof. We could add videos, or we could add images. And then the cool thing about the images, right? Like let's say I wanted to take one of my students that got really good results, right? Like this gentleman, Lowell. I could add that in there, and then I could add some text on top. The other thing that's really nice, I could add multiple pictures, right? So if I have more than one testimonial, I could just go in and switch this up and add more and more and more. You know, and I could add some text here as well, or like a heading, right? So I could put something like this, and I could do real clients with real results, right? You know, you could add text, you could add a bunch of cool stuff, which is really nice. And then, you know, you have everything here, you go to next, and then you could even create the success page. But again, I want to keep everything on brand. So keep the color schemes, keep the color schemes. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We go to next. Now we're at our success page. And again, keep it all on brand. Keep it congruent, guys. It's one of the best pieces of advice that I could give you, is to keep everything on branding, right? And that's pretty much it. That's how, you know, that's all it is there. So I hope that this review of Thrivecart and Learn Plus was helpful. You know, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a course creator, an online coach, I mean, the biggest thing that Thrivecart, number one, you have to have it because it gives you the ability to have your own shopping cart. And you can use that for your strategy calls. You could use that for anything. Just create a quick, you know, $100 an hour. Let's say you charge $100 an hour for a strategy call. Go in and create a product just like I did. Send them a checkout, right? Or if you want to build the courses, like I said, it's very easy to do. As you can see, it's drag and drop, right? You build your course area, you create affiliates that can actually help you promote these products, and it's really an all-in-one solution. So if you like this video, as I mentioned, guys, we would really appreciate the support. If you could subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Let me know if there's any other types of products you want me to review or any other trainings you would like. And for those of you that would like to get into the exclusive lifetime discount of Thrivecart, I have my affiliate link below. Please do grab that link. And again, it doesn't cost you anything else, but you will be supporting our channel. If you do happen to use my affiliate link and you'd like some extra bonuses, like some tips and tricks on Thrivecart, maybe some landing page templates, just reach out to me and I'll be happy to go ahead and help you guys learn the software. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you on the next session.